Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be talking about this excellent cryptocurrency market and FTX specifically, as there is some news coming out where they are backing out of some of the sports sponsorships deals that they have had as of late. We got to take a dive into this one. We're going to assess the partnerships that FTX currently has and Crypto.com, Kronos Chain, that's right, and we're going to discuss whether backing out could impact the crypto markets. What does a back out from these sponsorships look like for these crypto exchanges? We're going to talk about that more in today's video. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Again, I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. I got 3 videos coming at you guys every single day, 1 long form and 2 shorts for you guys. Also, free money available. If you click on the link in the description down below, you can get some free money, $4,100 to Femex when you go ahead and open up a trade on the platform by using our referral code down below. So check that, guys, out when you get a chance. But without further ado, let's take a peek at the crypto markets here for the day. So when you're looking at crypto, we're at 1.16 trillion. Ethereum dominance is absolutely crushing it right now, guys. And when you look at CoinMarketCap, you can see that Ethereum is currently the #1 trending token, which is very exciting. Ethereum above $2,000 per coin, and Bitcoin just under $25,000, on its way to $30,000 for August. Hit that like button if you think we can get 30K here in August. I'd certainly be smashing it up right now if I were you, as I do believe that that is possible here in August. September's a different story, but we'll get there. So what's going on with the exchange tokens and the exchanges right now? FTX doing all right for the day, just kind of laying low at $30. And Kronos coin is currently at 15.5 cents. Again, Kronos has been up a little bit more over the week than FTX, and maybe a story like this has something to do with it. New York Post today came out with this story right here. Actually, this was a little bit ago, but people were talking about FTX and other crypto firms ditching the sports deals as the market collapses. Now, this is something that I got to remind you guys. Yeah, I mean, they're going to look at some partnerships that aren't going to work out. They're going to do some partnerships that maybe they got to back out of. But what have they done so far, and what have they currently backed out of? Let's get into some facts here. So when you look through this article, basically the Washington Post shows that these are new deals that they were seeking. One being they were looking at getting an MLB patch on the Los Angeles Angels at this time. So that's something they were looking at. And they were looking at a patch deal for NBA Washington Wizards. And a cool fact about that is FTX was actually looking at getting their logo on this jersey because a lot of key figures in the government are obviously in Washington. So that's something they talk about in this article. Great article by FTX. But you know what? Those deals fell through. Is this bearish for FTX and Crypto.com? Well, no, and here's why. Crypto exchange FTX, which shelled out $135 million to rename the home of the Miami Heat in March of 2021, pulled out of talks to provide the jersey. So let's just back it up. They shelled out $135 million to rename the Miami Heat Stadium, and that is in this crazy time from 2021 to 2022 where cryptocurrency companies poured out billions of dollars into sports sponsorships. So what's the news here? Crypto companies poured billions of dollars into sports sponsorships, and a so-called crypto winter takes place where Miami Heat Stadium was taken over by FTX. Also, Crypto.com in a $700 million deal. Now, so yeah, they pulled some deals off the table. FTX certainly did, but the prices are down right now. We are in a crypto winter, and cash ain't really, you got cash fine, but the markets ain't giving you any extra cash for these exchanges. So, trading fees, of course, but, they're not going to over-advertise in a bear market. So this is just a bunch of FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, some fake news, again, from another publication. New York Post is good. Any publication can be good, but, you get one writer and they write a story and they try to kind of evoke some kind of reaction out of you, some emotion, and that's just what this is about. But let's take a peek at here what the partners are currently for FTX. We already know the FTX Arena, the home base for the Miami Heat, so that's one. Major League Baseball, FTX on the umpire jerseys. Tom Brady, a partner. Giselle Bundchen, she is a famous person as well. Also, Stephen Curry, one of the greatest NBA players of late, at least, a very sharp shooter, very skilled, quick player. The Golden State Warriors, they sponsor them. FTX Arena, of course. Mercedes, look at this. You've got here's one. Won 7 titles on the WTA Tour, so there's another one. Kevin O'Leary, Mr. Wonderful, became a shareholder. Shaquille O'Neal, I didn't even know this one, guys, actually. This is pretty exciting to see that Shaq is a excellent investor. You have Trevor Lawrence, NFL's #1 draft pick, and an ambassador for 2021. David Ortiz, look, you know what, I can't keep going. FTX Field, FTX Champions. These are these partnerships, guys. Absolutely huge. What's Crypto.com going on right now? Well, reaching the next billion users with the world's best partners, which are the Crypto.com Arena. They took over the Staples Center back in 2020 in November. That was a huge moment for them. The FIFA World Cup, they're sponsoring that one in Qatar. That's coming up. F1 Racing, UFC, a Paris soccer team, 76ers, Series A, Formula 1 Racing, Cognizant, Aston Martin, Twitch, Rivals. They're involved with the LA Kings, the AFL, and Fnatic. I'm not familiar with that one. But guys, my point is, you will see news stories where there are people talking about backing out of this deal, they're bashing these crypto exchanges. You've seen bad stories about Coinbase. You've seen bad stories about FTX. You've seen bad stories about Crypto.com, and they'll keep coming. I promise you that. But you should keep coming to the internet to do your research to determine whether or not you think these companies are still valuable. Crypto.com, FTX, Coinbase, are they valuable? Well, BlackRock certainly thinks that Coinbase is valuable, as they recently partnered up with them to offer investing to their partners through Aladdin, which is a $10 trillion wealth sector of the market. I mean, absolutely huge, a very big financial tool there. Also, FTX, huge partnerships as of late. Crypto.com getting into South Korea lately. It is nonstop. It ain't going anywhere. Guys, ignore the FUD. Buy the dip. HODL. I am anticipating a $30,000 Bitcoin here in the month of August. I still believe that it's possible. We're halfway through the month. Currently sitting at 24,000. If Bitcoin goes to 30K, I do believe we will see a 25-cent CRO, 20 to 25 cents. It's very, very possible. In fact, I think it's quite likely. I would anticipate right at about these levels up here that we kind of see it hit these and test these floors again. And who knows? Maybe we go up sooner than we think. Let me know what you guys think in the chat box down below. That's all I got in today's episode. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.